Hi! In front of me is OUKITEL C33, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Firstly, select Messages app and click on one of your chats. Then tap on this little icon with a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. And simply tap on your photos that you wish to add. You can also click on Gallery section, select one of your photos from here, or click on Folders. Then hold one of your pictures and hit Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my photos were successfully attached. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!